This will be my third video about dishwasher Maytag stainless steel. First video I made about installation, second is initial review, and this one will be based on request of one of my viewers to show how it works, how it cleans, and how I clean my filter. So here on the top shelf I have just one item, and on the middle shelf I have some items to be washed, and on the bottom I have some items as well. And before I start quick wash with a heated dry, I will show you filter and how I clean it. The filter is here. What I need to do is pull this up by pressing this little knob or button, however you call it. I'll try to come closer to it. This is it, and it moves in. Once I press that, I need to pull it up and take it. So here is spot where filter goes in, and in my case I have some plastic that is coated in, and little piece of food that is coated into filter, and looks pretty dry, but I'm going to take these items into garbage. And after that, I rinse it a little bit just to make sure that there is no any little particles in, and I will be cleaning of the filters. Once I start dishwasher, I will show you frequency of filter cleaning. To install filter, you just need to position it here on the top and press down till it catches that little notch, and you can hear that, and that will be it. Now we can start dishwashing. We need to put one tablet in, close it, and what I'm going to do here, I have options with the cycles, which is power. Cannot zoom in, so it is power blast, auto, normal, quick, and rinse. And in order to go through them, you need to push this button, auto, normal, and I'm going to choose quick, which will be 1 hour and 10 minutes. Rinse is only 23 minutes. Power blast is 3 hours and 28 minutes. Auto is 253. We usually do auto or normal, but for the demonstration purpose how it works, I'll choose 110 with heated dry, and that total time will be 1 hour and 43 minutes, so we can see how loud it is and what it does, and on the end we'll check how clean dishes are. I need to press play button, and I have 4 seconds to start it, and that will be it. You can hear it's already making some noise, not too loud, and we'll wait for some time. We can always check our time remaining, but here is blue light telling us that dishwasher is dishwashing. Now you can hear how loud or how not loud it is. Very quiet. And now it's taking some water and spinning it. So like I said, I am pleased with the sound level. It's not too loud. Sometimes I wish it's a little bit more, so you will know is it working or not. Besides this light, if you are in another room. While I'm waiting on the washing cycle to complete, I went online and printed out some how to clean dishwasher filter instructions, but here is different filter than mine, and it has step by step, which I will recommend just to go to website and see your model and figure out how to clean each model individually. But I show you mine, how to take it out and how to clean it. And one item that I think is important to mention is how often should you clean your dishwasher. And I found here few interesting points, which is if you wash 1 to 3 loads per week and you clean dishes before loading, then we need to clean filter once per year. If you scrape and rinse before, then we clean it once per year also. If you scrape only before loading, twice per year. And if you don't scrape or rinse before loading, we need to clean filter every 2 months. So that is if we wash 1 to 3 loads. We have then 4 to 7 loads or 8 to 12 loads. And for 4 to 7 loads, if you wash dishes before loading, it's again once per year. But all the way to the bottom, if you don't scrape or rinse, we need to clean once per month. If you wash 8 to 12 loads, then if you clean dishes before loading, again once per year. But if you do no scraping or rinse before loading, then we need to clean every 2 weeks. And here is most extreme. If you wash 13 to 14 loads per week, and if you do not wash dishes before loading, which needs to have once per year cleaning. If you don't do that, no scraping, no rinsing, then we need to clean the filter once per week. Mine is usually 4 to 7 loads per week, and we always wash dishes before loading and scraping to get rid of big stuff. We don't have a problem with that. We learned our lesson by sink being clogged, so I'll recommend that highly. But if you're in a hurry, then you'll need to clean filter once per month. Here you can hear, I hope you can hear the rinsing first cycle, not too loud and very quiet while it's doing it. And this is noise that you can hear while it washes. Okay, we have 33 minutes left, and blue light switched to red. That means it is drying now. 1 more minute left, and it will be done washing and drying. All time is up. Light changed into white light, blue washing, red drying, white is off. And here is the message before we open that says clean. Just hard to zoom in. And I cannot do that, but it says clean. And when I open it, I can still feel a little heat coming out. And this is complete wash and dry. And here is how it looks. Really nice and clean. No any leftovers. Nice dried. Clear glass is also very clean, as much as I can show here. So to my viewer that asks these questions, how it works, how it dries, and how clean the filter, I hope I answer your questions. If you'll have more, please comment and ask. I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you for watching.